Dad, I want to start a business but I have zero money. Don't I need investors?
Most great companies started without outside investors. Mailchimp, Basecamp, Craigslist, GitHub early on, Bootstrapped. Building a business using only your own revenue is actually the older, better understood path.
Mailchimp sold for $12 billion with no investors? How?
By growing slowly on their own revenue and keeping ownership. No investors meant no pressure to grow recklessly. They built something that worked really well and kept 100% of the upside. Every dollar of profit stayed inside.
So what's actually different between bootstrapping and getting investors?
VC money lets you grow fast and swing big, but you give away ownership and take on pressure to grow at all costs. Bootstrapping is slower but you stay in control. The right path depends on what you're building.
Okay, what kind of business could I actually start with nothing?
Services first. You trade time and skill for money before you build anything. Mowing lawns, tutoring, fixing computers, making social media content. Zero inventory, zero manufacturing, zero capital. Just you and a skill.
And then what? The service becomes a product somehow.
Often, yes. You do the same service for 10 clients, spot the patterns, and build a tool or template or system to do it faster. That's the lemonade stand path. Sell lemonade to buy a pitcher, then hire someone to pour.
How do you get the first customers though? That part seems like a wall.
The first 10 customers should come from your own network. Family, friends, neighbors, people you know. It's uncomfortable to ask, but nobody is going to find you if you haven't proven anything. You go to them first.
That's embarrassing though. What if they say no?
The faster you collect no's, the faster you find a yes. Ask why they said no. That's market research worth more than any book. Every founder has a pile of rejection stories that sound funny in retrospect.
What's an MVP again? I keep forgetting.
Minimum viable product, the simplest version that actually delivers value. Dropbox MVP was a video of the product that didn't exist yet. Airbnb's MVP was a website with photos of their own apartment. Prove demand before you build.
Airbnb literally rented out their own apartment first. That's funny.
And they did it to pay rent. Pure necessity. Now they're a $75 billion company. The scrappiest bootstrapped origin stories are often the most successful ones. Survival builds judgment.
What's the most important thing for a bootstrapped business to do with its first profit?
Reinvest it back in. Not a fancy logo, not business cards, into getting your next customer. Cash back into growth is the compound interest of business. Let it build before you pay yourself.
So I could actually start something. Right now. Without $1 million.
Right now. What skill do you have that someone would pay even $5 for? That's the whole question. The rest is iteration. Every founder started exactly where you are.